Hello students. So we are doing the exercise 14.1, that is construction. So I have solved up to question number 5. Okay. So I think you have practiced the questions whatever I have solved. So today I will solve the question number 6. What is it? Construct a right angle triangle with hypotenuse 10 centimeter. So you know right angle triangle whose one angle is 90 degree. So in right angle triangle the hypotenuse measurement is given 10 centimeter and the other two sides measuring 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay. So and two other sides are also given, that means all three sides are given. Measure the other two angles of the triangle. Okay. So you have to measure the other two angles, that means one angle is given, that means it is 90 degree right angle. So you have to measure the other two angles of the triangle. Okay, let's start. So we will take the base as 8 centimeter. Okay, baseline, because hypotenuse is the longest side, so it will be not the baseline. We'll take 8 centimeter as the baseline. So here you can see I have drawn 8 centimeter line, that is AB. I have given the name AB, whatever name you can give. So I have given the line AB 8 centimeter. So this is the baseline. So now I will make 90 degree, because it is a right angle triangle. So from this point B I will make a 90 degree angle by using the compass. Okay, then I will make this line and extend this line up to here. After that, from this point B I will cut 6 centimeter. Okay students, now see from how to make the 90 degree angle. From this point draw one arc, this arc, again with the same radius. From this point cut this arc, again from this point with the same radius cut this arc. Okay, and with the same radius cut from here this arc like this, and from this point cut this arc like this. Okay, so now what we do, from this point B and passing through this point we will make one line. Understood? So this is 90 degree line we have made. So this is the 90 degree angle. So you can, after that you can measure it is coming 90 degree or not. See, so it is coming 90 degree in this way. Now can you see this? This is 90 degree angle we have made properly. So after that, from this point B we'll make, from this point B we'll take what, 6 centimeter measurement from the scale and cut here 6 centimeter, because the other side is 6 centimeter given, that's why we have we'll make 6 centimeter from this point. So you can see this, I have taken 6 centimeter in this compass by using the scale. So from this point cut 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is our 6 centimeter line. So in this way you have to cut 6 centimeter. Now you can write here it is 6 centimeter to, okay, and give its name as C, this point C. Now we will join this line, it will be AC. Understood? Now I have joined this line AC, and this line is 10 centimeter. So it is in the question it is given hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. So I have got this hypotenuse 10 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to measure the other two angles. So this angle is 90 degree we know. So you have to measure this angle and this angle. Okay. So after measurement, so how to measure it? So in this way you have to measure this angle in this way. So after measurement it is coming as 53 coming. Okay, so this angle is coming, my angle is coming 53 degree, and here when I measure this angle, so this angle is coming 37 coming. Okay, so we'll write here 37. So in this way other two angles are 53 degree and 37 degree, and this is 90 degree we know because it is right angle triangle. So in this way you have to make this figure. Okay, now the next question number 7, construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to BC equal to CA. That means all sides are equal, that is 7 centimeter. If all sides of a triangle are equal, that is a equilateral triangle. So write the measures of the angle. So you have to write the measurement of all the three angles. Okay, let's construct. Now you can see here I have constructed this line BC, the base line, 7 centimeter, because all the sides are same, 7 centimeters. So first of all I have constructed 7 centimeter BC. Now I will construct from this scale. I will take the measurement 7 centimeter from this scale. Okay, like this I will take 7 centimeter and draw the other sides by taking 7 centimeter from here and taking 7 centimeter from here. So in this scale I have taken 7 centimeter by the using compass. Now I will, from this point, C point, I will cut 7 centimeter here. Okay, like this I will cut. Understood? Now it is 7 centimeter, and from here also I will cut 7 centimeter from this B point. Now see, it is cutting like this. Now you can see two arcs are made. Now I will join these B and C with this line will join. So now you can see I have joined this line, okay, from this point B and C. Now I will give this point A. Okay, so this is our required triangle ABC, and all the lengths, all the side AB equal to 7 centimeter and AC equal to 7 centimeter. All the sides are equal. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, that is a equilateral triangle. So now we have to measure the all the angles. What are the measurement of the angles? This angle, and this angle. Okay, so you know by default, you know, in an equilateral triangle all the angles are 60 degree. Okay, by default. So then also we'll see by measurement. Okay, now see here it is 60 degree coming or not. You can see here 60 here coming. Here also see it will come 60 degree. So here 60 degree coming like this. Okay, and now this angle by rotating the protector like this, you will see 60 degree. Now see 60 degree coming. See, okay, 60 degree in this line. So in this all the angles are 60 degree. Understood? So you write 60 degree. So write the one line, all the angles are 60 degree. Understood? Now next is the last 8 number question. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC equal to 6 centimeter. So two sides are given and two angles are given. Angle B 70 degree, angle C 70 degree given. Measure angle A. So you have to find out the measurement of angle A because angle A is not given. Okay, let's see. Okay students, first of all we will construct line AB. Okay, line AB is 6 centimeter. We will construct a line AB by using the ruler, that is scale. Now what we do, we will construct angle B equal to 70 degree. From point B we will construct 70 degree by using what? Protector, because 70 degree is not possible with the compass. So with the using protector we will make angle 70 degree from here. So students, now you can see I have constructed 70 degree angle, okay, by using the protector. Understood? So this is 70 degree. Now what we do, I will take AC equal to 6 centimeter. Now from this A point I will make one arc of 6 centimeter and cut this line. So students, you can see from this point A I have cut this arc. Okay, on this line I have cut this arc. Now I will join this point A and this point. Okay, now I have joined this line A and this point is what? C. Okay, so now this is AC is 6 centimeter. So angle B is 70 degree I have made by using this protector. So now angle C is also given 70 degree. So you can check here it is 70 degree now. And what is angle A? Okay, so angle A you have to check. Now check it. This angle A is what? It is coming 40 degree. See. Okay, so angle A is what? 40 degree. So this is the answer of our question. So angle C, angle B all are 70 degree. You can check it like this. So it is 70 degree coming. See, it is a 70 degree coming. So we have got angle A equal to 40 degree and angle C was given 70 degree. So at last we got angle A 40 degree by measurement. So this is our triangle ABC. So you will write like this: angle A equal to 40 degree. So this is the answer of this question. So in this way you have to construct the triangle. Understood? So you have completed the exercise 14.1, and in this way our chapter construction is also completed. So practice all the questions nicely. Okay, and if you have any doubt then ask me. Thank you.